Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Slides in the Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Drive, and here it opens up in the Suggested tab. From here we just go into the bottom right corner, tap on the plus icon, and then tap on Google Slides. And now the app is going to ask us if we have Google Slides installed on our device, and if we have, it's going to create a Google Slides document right away. And if we don't have it installed, we can just install it by tapping on this button in the pop-up, and then we can just proceed with creating and using this kind of file. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.